Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold QSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and we can see that gold bounced beautifully from the 2015 level yesterday. Right now, gold is trading at 2024, 2025 area. So if you have any sell position, then you can be on the trade because yes, further downside is still very much possible. If you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold edges higher after recent weakness. Gold edges higher in early Asian trade after falling to a more than 1 week low on Monday. As we all know that after the NFP, there was immense pressure on gold. Finally, DXY broke the important resistance and overall things are heading towards a particular direction. Okay, because before this, we had a very confusing market. Market was caught in a tight range, and right now we can see that finally DXY is trying to go up. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss about dollar index chart because US dollar plays a very important role in forex market, and as a forex trader you should know about the movement of dollar very well. So we can see after breaking the resistance, the dollar index is right now showing some retracement and it is standing at 104.39. So during the day, okay, the first support of dollar will be around 104.20 and then 104 to 103.95 or 90. Let's make it 90. So these are the two levels where you can expect the dollar to take support and bounce back. Why I'm saying this? Because once you will see dollar is bouncing back again after taking support, you will see pressure on gold, euro USD, GBP USD and others. So that's why you need to plan your trades accordingly. This is the main reason I'm explaining. Okay, so my dear friends, dollar index may be showing some retracement right now, but do not forget that overall market sentiment is bullish for US dollar. So the first support will be 104.20 and then 104 to 103.90, and there's a good chance that market will be taking support and market will try to bounce back. And if the DXY bounces back again, then obviously we'll see pressure on gold, US, euro USD and others. So okay, plan your trades. Now let's talk about gold. So if you look at a chart of gold, then the major range or the big range of gold is 2065 to 2000. This is sorry so 2065 to 2000, this is the range of gold right now, but obviously 2065 2000, those levels are far away from the current market price and most of us are day traders. So as a result, we need to react according to the present market movement. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that today we do not have any major news in the US session also that will be driving the market crazy. So more or less we can expect that the present market sentiment and the technicals will be dominating the market. So during the day, if you see gold going up, okay, if you see that gold is going up, the first level will be around 2034, where you can look for a sell position as a day trader. And then you have the second resistance around 2040. These are the two levels where you can look for a sell position as a day trader. And if you're a swing trader, if you have missed the opportunity here and if you're looking for a fresh sell as a swing trader, then also you can go for a trade here. But yes, considering the present trend of the market here, we can look for a sell at resistance because sell on rise seems to be the best trading strategy. If you look at the higher time frame, okay, let me show you. If you look at the higher time frame, you'll see that gold is trading inside a range. Okay, and in this type of market situation, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. But if you wait for buy at support, sell at resistance, you will have to wait for a couple of days for one single trade because nobody knows when gold will go up here and will reverse. Nobody knows when gold will reach 2000 and bounces back. Nobody knows it. So as a result, we are focused on the hourly chart or for day trading. So that's why we are respecting the present trend of the market, which is towards the downside, and after NFP, selling pressure can be seen. So during the day, if market shows some temporary upside. Observe the market around 2034, which is the first resistance, and the reason is, you can see FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, you can see the 50 moving average will also be present, and 200 moving average is also there. If we combine all the factors, then there's a good chance that market will be facing some selling pressure. If market reverses, we can hit the sell button. Then 2040, why 2040? FIBO 50% retracement level, we have the 100 moving average along with the previous level from where market reverse. Then 2050, yeah, if you're thinking about 2050, then 2050 is obviously there, but 2050 is far away from the current market price. At first, market will have to cross these two obstacles, so I'm not discussing. Then if market doesn't go up, okay, if market doesn't go up, then what to do? Then obviously, just like yesterday, we can look for a sell below the level here. Means we can look for a sell below 2015. But my dear friends, once you take a sell below 2015, you need to be careful this time, not like yesterday, because you can see that we have multiple supports around this area, and around 2010 also we have a support. So this is not a clean zone. Okay, yesterday we had a clean zone below 2027. Today we do not have a clean zone. So if you take a sell also, be careful, because there's a good chance that after 30-40 pips market may show some upside, market may show price rejection from below. So risk management, yeah, it will be very important. And my dear friends, we have been doing Insta live sessions, so I'm planning to do an Insta live session again this week, maybe by Thursday or Friday. So if you're interested, feel free to join. There are many scams going on in my name, so be careful while you follow. This is my real profile, and the link will be in the description box, so please check out. Okay, because the scammers have more followers than me. So so be careful. And if you're looking for a support, then sadly we don't have any support right now because of the ongoing selling pressure, but still, as a buyer, you can expect some support around 2000 to 2002 level. Market may find some support around this area, but if you are a trader, normal trader, if you do not trade on physical gold, then obviously buying should not be in your list right now, and you should look for sell positions only. But if you're looking for a buy, if you trade on physical gold, then you can look for buy around 2000 2002 area. Okay, I'm not saying the market will be reversing completely, but at least you can expect a temporary bounce from this area. So if we look at the higher time frame, then we can still see that gold is stuck in a major range. Okay, and the opportunities that we discussed, okay, are from the lower time frame. So all the opportunities are from the middle of the chart. How funny. Anyways, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. And as I always say, my dear friends, be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Try to use alerts. Okay, you don't need to watch the market all the time. Do not forget that, okay, the impulsive trades that we take, okay, are a result of watching the market. Okay, yes, you need to watch the market, you need to observe the live chart. Okay, but sometimes observing the market live chart also costs us a lot. Okay, so try to use alerts. Okay, I'll be discussing about these things, okay, in some other video, but as of now I'll just warn you guys that, okay, that do not take impulsive trades, do not lose your patience by watching the market all the time. Bye bye.